This is one of the more unusual war graves here at St Woolos Cemetery. We've got 3 individuals here, 3 servicemen that have all been buried together, but they're from quite different places. We have a gentleman from the Welsh Regiment, we have a gentleman from the Middlesex Regiment, and we have a gentleman here from the Irish Guards. So why are they all together commemorated on one single stone? And the reason for that is during the First World War, Beechwood House was used as a TB hospital, as a tuberculosis hospital, and these 3 gentlemen, unfortunately, were all together in that TB hospital. So they all died at roughly the same time in 1916, so a decision was made for contamination purposes to bury them collectively. It's a really sad reminder of the fact that not just war was causing problems for people. It wasn't war itself that was injuring and killing people, but all the things associated with it, like viruses and TB. It's an unusual reason to die during the war, perhaps more usual though than we think.